TV. I'm Juju. Here goes Jada. We're at the Children's Museum in Houston. Wait, well, I guess we didn't have to wait in line because we already got our tickets. So we don't have to wait for them now. Well, let us. We'll go through and then they'll come. But it's a long line, so I'm gonna see if we can just go through and I can let me show you. So it's cute. They're waiting in that long line. They go here, right there.
Houston got too many people. Look at my kids back there sleep as hell. Like, this shit is crazy. Like, here. I don't know if it's because I'm from a small city or what, but everywhere we go, it's too many damn people. I'm trying to take my kids to the museum. It's been 20 minutes and I still ain't parked in the line. Good thing we bought our tickets in advance. But Texas got too many damn.
All right, so me and Jada are in here. I had to use the bathroom really bad. It's so many people in here. I feel like it's over capacity. Like, why are they letting so many people in here?
All these kids are not like kids.
Well, it is a children's museum, Jada. But it's yeah, it's a lot. That's cute. But this is just the little entrance area. Ain't no telling how it look when we actually get all the way back through there. Stop. Don't slap it. There's way too many people in here.
We can't look at it.
Right. I'm irritated already.
Huh?
I'm irritated already.
Yeah.
Kitchen. I'm in my little condo, you know.
I know they really have capacity.
What you cooking in here, Pooh? Asian food.
What's the Asian stuff?
Let me see the refrigerator. Open it up again. Here. What's in here? More noodles.
That's fake noodles.
Yes, it is. Now they know they're wrong.
Hey, Texas seems like a great spot. Houston, whatever, and all that. I wouldn't live here though. It's too many.
So many. Look at us. We are at capacity, people, and they're still letting people in.
Kids out here playing, along with a million other kids. There's so many kids out here. You can tell it's spring break. Y'all want to go back inside and check something out in there? Huh? Now we're gonna check everything else on the inside. We can come back out here. We can come back out here if y'all want to. Let's go back inside. Come on. Yeah, I am.
time did not work out for us. It was just way too many people there. The lady's talking about they letting everybody in. Like, ain't no capacity. They just letting everybody in. So I got my money back because I'm like, the kids cannot enjoy that place. And then they told us we couldn't eat. We was in line waiting for the food. They talk about they not taking no more orders. Like, what? So yeah, we got my money back. Now we're down here at the little waterfall. We're about to have us a little photo shoot or whatever. Hey, woo!
That's dope. That's some of Jay's though.
It's so windy though, so everybody's getting wet.
What? Yeah. Big waterfalls. Big waterfalls. Big drip. Big drip.
Way back here by our school. I know. Gotta go way up there. We're getting our exercise on. So this is the wait now. It took us so long to get to this point. Last time we were here, we were way down there, wrapped around. So this is kind of a good point for us.
Damn, I gotta get my phone.
You forgot your phone? Hey.
I need that one.
We're almost there. It took us only about 15 minutes to get up here. 20 minutes? You watch the time? Alright, we're at our seat. It didn't take us no time.
Listen, God is working today.
Yeah, it took us about 15-20 minutes.
I'm ready to eat.
Head hurt? They playing a mama music today. They ain't got the lit music like last time.
I was really like, we came here with our snacks and shit.
Well, we was ready this time and didn't even need them. I told Mom. Alright, thank you. Let me get a picture of our drinks together.
We'll grab some more napkins.
Oh, that's a whole lot. He the only one eating that shit. Everybody eat that. Enjoy. That's nasty. Got some potatoes in there and everything. They said a minimum of 5 pounds. So happy because the South put so much love in their food.
Damn.
They were waiting on his next one. Look at him. They waiting on their next one. I don't really care for these things too much. They're not that good. I think it's the outside. Now, like, the inside is just like some dirty rice. Is this your first time? Is this your first time eating the crawfish?
Yeah.
Good about eating that little nasty little thing. That's nasty.
Mom, have you even tried it?
I eat crawfish. I won't eat it in the shell though. I eat it like
that sauce is good.
I eat it like gumbo.
Whenever they put that shit in. You want another one?
You gonna suck the head?
I can't do it.
You did it.
It's good.
Good. I think that's all you eat is that little piece of meat. And that little head part. That's it.
Got a Cajun crawfish mac and cheese with the Hennessy glaze.
Oh, that's you. You got the Hennessy. Oh, look at that. That's a lot of food. That's a lot of
barbecue flavored turkey legs.
Here, your food.
Soft fries. You got the Cajun noodles.
Thank you. Huh?
So on this elevator, about to go get this little thing and put the luggage on. Headed back to Omaha, Nebraska. 13 hours. Whew. You mad because we leaving?
Don't record!
Why you even want to go home? We can't stay here forever. We got a home to go to, okay? Did you have fun? You want to stay in the hotel forever. You mad, man. Curtain, guys. Y'all ready to go home?
Yeah.
Lyric, you ready to go home? He's the only one that ain't ready to go home. We ready to go. Spend a long 4 days. Now we got an even longer trip. Got all our stuff. Look at all that damn liquor we still got. Ah, shit.